Sorry. I like your dogs. She has headphones in. You can talk if you want. I'm like, I don't care. Over there is where my friends did the hammock thing. They put up a hammock between those two trees, and they were just hanging out. Also, there's that thing. Do you see that, Jason? And that thing. It's a weird thing. And then there's another one right there. You chill. So we're gonna be going down there. But not down this way, and just like... Oh yeah, actually down this way, yeah. Hidden lake this way. Someone threw that away, so it wasn't actually hidden. Careful. This might be ivy, so don't like scratch yourself with it. Look at that shit. You good? Oh, look at that. More ivy. Possibly. Oh, shoot. You good? Look at that. We're here. You want to hear something cool? Oh, that's not a rock. This is. Oh, well, hit it on the wrong side. Hello.
Hi.
Pretty cool, huh? I mean, this isn't all of it, but... Ready to do some parkour? Psych. Wow. I like that too. And then we'll go up there. I skipped some of that clip because the hidden lake wouldn't be so hidden if we showed you where it was, now would it? Come here yourself, you little fuckwads. Have fun. I'm not gonna show you everything. Just what you'll find on Bing Images. Or Google or whatever that shit is. To the hidden lake real quickly. You want to go there a little bit? Shit. That rock's good. That rock's good. That rock's good. Most of these rocks are good.
Very bad idea, Colin.
What? It's not a very bad idea. I'm just holding onto my phone hella tight. Whoa. Because that's where the lake is. Shit. You good? Inlink's not too far. They obviously have sandbags here. Oh, look at that. I think they're gonna have trouble. Oh. Can you hold this?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You hold my dick?
Nope. Hidden lake. Cut it 2 times. 2 times.
2 weekends from now?
It's recording, by the way. But yes.
Cut the audio.
No.
No?
No.
Fuck you.
How hard, bitch? No swimming, is what it says.
Yeah, because you get itchy.
Yeah, because rivers itch.
Fuck you.
Oh, look at that. There's fishies. There's fish in here. Bruh.
Bruh.
There's fucking fish in here. You guys can see that. It's right.
I see the fish. It's trout. I think it's trout.
It's actually like at least 18 inches
That
long. That's
is-
8. That's huge.
It's a big.
It's a big trout.
Big
That
fish.
one is at least 18 inches long, real life. Not on the screen. And there's ducks. Alright, cool. Hidden river, come here. Oh! That one just went up for food. That was a big ass one. Alright. Subscribe
Duckies.
for Hidden Rivers.
Duckies.